In the heart of the jungle lurks a predator feared by all, the King Cobra, nature's deadliest snake eater. Silent and calculating, it moves with precision, hunting other snakes with unmatched skill. Its eyes lock on the prey. One strike, one chance. Nature's perfection in action. In moments, the hunter becomes the conqueror. The jungle bows to the King Cobra. Feared even by the deadliest of its kind, this serpent rules its domain with unmatched authority. Stealth is its weapon, venom its ultimate tool. Every move calculated, every step life or death. Its hood flare warns enemies. Approach at your peril. Even the boldest predators think twice. Every scale, every glance tells the story of a predator perfected by evolution. In its territory, it is unrivaled. The jungle bends to its will. The King Cobra, silent, deadly, and always in control. Nature's ultimate snake eater reigns supreme.